Hi, Shaylin with WTI, and I'm sharing my favorite makeup setting spray.
Iconic London's Prep Set Glow is a gorgeous hydrating mist that just feels so refreshing, and when used on a bare face, it's not only hydrating, but it just gives your skin a radiant gloss. It's rich in antioxidants, green tea, and vitamin E, which I love because it's good for my skin. It's also great as a setting spray. As you can see here, you'll just want to make sure you mix it, make sure you hear that ball so that you know that it is mixing up very well. Just go ahead and spray over your full makeup look to give yourself one final spritz for that extra bronzy glow.
Prep Set Glow is a gorgeous hydrating mist that feels refreshing, and it just leaves the skin with that iconic glow that we know this brand gives. It is stunning. You can see all that pigmented color. It's just gorgeous. This on your face, just a few sprays, is incredible. It gives you a nice sun-kissed dewy glow, and you're absolutely gonna love it, especially right now in the summertime. Don't we all want that sun-kissed glow? This is perfect for that. I absolutely love how it makes my skin just glisten in the sun. I know you're gonna love it as much as I have, and that's my point of view.